Hello, fellow Minecrafters and pixel pioneers. Welcome to a realm where imagination meets innovation. I'm Celine, your trusty guide for today and the community manager from Effect House. For those new faces, Effect House is a powerhouse behind all of the enchanting effects that you can't get enough of on TikTok. From spellblinding looks to jaw-dropping VFX, and the quirky games that you keep coming back to, today isn't just about creative exploration, it's about challenge and reward. Welcome to the first ever Minecraft Live Effects Challenge. And guess what? The stakes are high. The craftiest among you, the one who outminds the competition, stands a chance to walk away with a whopping $10,000. And that's just the tip of the pickaxe, because our total prize is an incredible $30,000. So whether you're here for the blocks, the bucks, or just the sheer thrill of it, we've got something for you. Oh, and if you're wondering about my outfit today, yes, I've decided to bring the Minecraft world right into our studio. I'm donning the look of my favorite mob, the sheep. It's not just because they're fluffy and adorable, but there's something about those pixel eyes and their harmless demeanor that just warms my heart. So today I thought, why not pay a little tribute to these gentle creatures? But before we embark on today's tutorial, let's take a sneak peek of the blocktastic effects that we'll be making today. Number one is a 3D randomizer effect. Have you ever wondered which Minecraft character you really embody? This 3D randomizer will decide for you. Secondly, segmentation effect. I named transforming worlds. Ever dreamed of being in the overworld, the nether, or even the end? This effect teleports you instantly. And lastly, the Minecraft makeup effect, inspired by the pixelated beauty of our game. This look is perfect for the upcoming Halloween. There you have it. Those are the amazing effects that we'll be making today. With the end goal in sight, let's grab our crafting tables and start the transformation. The download link for the Effect House program is in the description, so if you don't already have the program, you can go to the link and download it. So when you first open up, this is what the screen will look like. First effect you'll be creating today is a 3D randomizer. So this is what the 3D randomizer looks like. It gives you a little prompt, which planet are you from? And then all of the 3D models circle around you, and at the end, it gives you one result. All we're gonna do today is replace these 3D assets with our own Minecraft characters so that it will tell you which Minecraft character you are. If you scroll down over here, there is a template that's called Randomizer 3D. If you can't find this template, because our recommended options always change, you can click to the template buttons right here. If you click on the face option and scroll down, you'll be able to find the Randomizer 3D. So this is what Effect House looks like. Don't be intimidated. I know it might look scary, but once you have it down, it is so easy. So in the hierarchy panel are all of the assets that we'll be using today, and here is where you can import the assets. Let me show you an example. This is a cool background that I want to use, so I'm going to drag it and drop it here, and you can see that it's been applied here, but it doesn't appear here. That's because if you want to use the assets, you have to drag it up to the hierarchy panel, which we will do later. This is the scene panel where you'll be able to see exactly what's going on with the effect. And if you want to move certain components up and down, let's say I want to move the planets a little more up or down, this is where you can do so. And you can also preview what's going on, and you can move around by selecting on this little icon. You can also rotate it like this, and you can also adjust the size so it's much bigger and smaller. This is the visual scripting panel. So to use Effect House, you actually don't need to know how to code at all, because we use a system that's called visual scripting that allows you to easily create interactions by just connecting the arrows. So each of the little blocks are called nodes. Let's say I want something to happen when we start using the effect. You can connect nodes together by just connecting the arrow, and now when the effect starts, you can trigger some event. It kind of feels like building a Lego for me, so feel free to explore these on your own time. But because we're using the template for this one, you don't have to worry about visual scripting at all. Now, you might say, hey Celine, where do you get the 3D assets? I don't know how to make the 3D assets. Don't worry, because we are giving you the 3D models that you can use right inside of Effect House. All you want to do is go on the top left corner and click Asset Library. Under here, you'll be able to see a little menu that's called Minecraft, and today I want to see what character I am. So I'm going to click on these icons to download all of them to our projects. I'm just going to use 5 to start, but you can add more later. So we're going to select all of these planets using Shift, and now I'm going to delete them. To make it easy for you guys to create an awesome effect, we have already rigged these characters, which means they will be tracking your body. However, since we are only going to be using their 3D models and not have them follow your body, I am going to remove these objects that have automatically been added to the hierarchy so we can just use their 3D models. But if you want to create an effect that follows your moves so you can dance with your Minecraft characters, that is totally up to you. I think that's another amazing effect. Now, you can see over here on the panel that there are 2 types of box that you can drag to the hierarchy panel. The first is this Lego looking thing. This is called a prefab. Basically, it's a box that we've built in with features, so all you need to do is drag and drop and it will perform exactly what it's programmed to do, which is follow your body movements. But if you import this one, which just looks like a plain box or a cube, instead, it will just show the shape of the 3D model, but not necessarily follow it. It's currently gray because the material hasn't been applied yet. Material is like the skin in your Minecraft character. So all we're gonna do is select on the model, go to the character mesh, select on the material, find the corresponding correct material, and replace it. And now you can see that we have color. What we were gonna do is drag this Alex model underneath the Randomizer 3D group. With that, we've already programmed it to go around your head, so no need to do any visual scripting. It's already done for you. I'm going to repeat the same thing, drag and drop this RE model. Make sure you're not dragging the prefab, but instead using this 3D model. Put it on the same category. Okay, we got Ari. I'm going to repeat this for all of the models. Now all of our characters are fully clothed and they're looking fantastic. You've already accomplished 90% of the entire project. All we need to do is replace the little banner that comes up, the title screen, to one of our own. Here, I'm going to click on the title card. You can know exactly which ones you need to edit because next to the titles, it will have a little description like edit me, do not delete. And now I'm going to import the texture. You can create this texture by using the design software of your choice. And now we're done with the game. Which Minecraft character are you? Let's see. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Now that we know how you can create an effect using a template, let's try creating a project from scratch. Click on the Create Project. Perfect. And now you're going to add something called a segmentation. So segmentation is where you separate the person or an object from the background. So I'm going to click Add Object here, and under Segmentation, you're going to add a portrait segmentation. If you ever wonder what each segmentation means, you can go under here, and in the little preview panel, it will show you exactly what you're segmenting. There are many different types. You can select portrait, or you can just do the hair, or you can do just the floating head or hand. So you can really experiment with this and play around to get the desired effect. So what I'm going to be doing today is going and clicking on the background option. And here we have a nifty little panel called interactions. Basically, it is a little pre-built package of visual scripting, so it is super easy for you to do something without actually having to know how to script. So I'm going to go under here, add interaction, and in screen touch, I'm going to select cycle image textures on tab. What this does is, let's say a user of your effect is touching the screen, it will change the image texture. It will change what is happening in the image. So let's go ahead and delete these. Now let's add the images that you want to use. You can either import directly by dragging and dropping your image, or you can click the plus icon, go under import, and select from computer, and select all of the images that you want to import at once. Okay, now that we have that set, I'm just going to go over here and click the plus icon to add the image textures, and go over here and select the images that we've just added. Now once I hit refresh and start tapping, you can see that the images are changing. But as you can see, it doesn't fill up the entire screen. That's because the stretch mode is set to fit. So we want to change this to fill and cut. And now you can see that all of our screens are full sized. This is perfect. You've already created a portal effect. Now let's think of a way to spice this up. I'm going to change the default image to one of the backgrounds, so when the effect starts, it doesn't start out as the default background. And let's see if we can add any fun 3D objects. So under the asset library, I'm going to go to Minecraft, and should we add sheep, my favorite animal? I want to make sure that people know that this is from the Minecraft Live Challenge. I'm going to click on the arrow and it will automatically be added to our preview window, but I don't want it in the middle, I want it at the top. So all I'm going to do is go click the Minecraft logo and move it up the screen, and now if you tap on the screen, it will change and it will have the nice Minecraft Live logo in the front. But what if I want to do something more? Let's go back to the asset library. We can go under the Minecraft panel. I want my character to have a little bit of spice. So I'm going to go under the 3D menu and maybe select a cool mounty hat, because this really makes me feel like a traveler, this hat. If you click it, it will automatically be applied to the hierarchy. So now whenever your character is moving, you can have a hat on the character as well. This is absolutely so fun. I think I'm going to publish this effect. I'm going to go over here, select create an icon, and it will automatically create a custom icon for you. I feel like he has a really cool mustache traveler look going on, so I'm going to select him and click done. But also you can import your own custom icon as well, but I just like to use the create icon button because it's so simple. You're going to click publish effect. I'm going to name this world traveler, and under hint I'm going to let the people know that you can tap on the screen to change the background, so you add a hint as well. Under category, I'm going to put it under funny, and for challenge you can click on the Minecraft Live Effects Challenge, and after you check the box you can click next and you'll have submitted your effect. That's fantastic. Let's move on to the next effect. Lastly, we're going to create an amazing makeup effect. From the recommended templates, go down and select the freckle makeup. So you can see that it already has some makeup in it, but we are going to modify them to fit the Minecraft theme. If you click into all of these components like the contour, the blush, the eyeshadow, you can see in the scene panel what it looks like, and we are going to modify them. So I'm going to go over here and select on lips. Because it's Minecraft and we have the iconic green color, I want to change them to green. So what I'm going to do is go under lips texture, enable opacity, and now you can change the color of your lips. I'm going to go ahead and select something from the green. Let's see. Ooh, you can see that it's already changing colors, but it's because the opacity is set to 20, so it's a little transparent and see-through. Let me finish changing the colors. I like this green color. I'm going to bump up the opacity, and now you can already see that it is so much more vibrant and greener. So you can also go over here and change the blend modes and try to decide which one you like. And I'm going to go over to blush panel. What if we had like a slight greenish tint? So I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to go over and select a green color. And now you can see that we have a greenish tint. And lastly, this is the hack that I really wanted to show you guys. You can select any image to be your eyeshadow. I'm going to click import, select from computer, and choose the Minecraft pattern, maybe this one, and it will be imported to both your eyes. But then, this is a hack, you're gonna click opacity enable, which means, oh, I only want the eyeshadow to be on this area but not on the other areas. And look, instantly you have a creeper themed eyeshadow. I can also change the blend mode so you can see it a little better if you see it in normal mode. I can also change it to a different pattern as well. Let's try to do something with the pixels, and now you can see that I have a eyeshadow makeup that's in pixels. Next up, let me disable these ones so you guys can see a little better. I am going to go to the top left corner, which is the Asset Studio. Click into it. You can just type in the words to a prompt and it will auto-generate things for you. So I'm going to select face mask. And here, I'm going to write down Minecraft, green pixelated, green eyeshadow, green skin, green lipstick, a creeper, and I like everything to be a little glam and beautiful, so I'm going to add glam and beautiful to the keyword as well, and click generate, and in a couple of seconds, it will have generated all these makeup options for me. Oh my god, this is crazy. I don't know which to choose. Let's see. This one is pretty glam and beautiful, but I like how pixelated everything looks here. So I'm gonna choose this one and click import. If I drag, as I told you before, this little Lego looking thing means it's a prefab, and all you have to do is just drag and drop. So I'm going to grab this, drag and drop over here, and look, I have a pixelated face makeup. Isn't this insane? It looks so good. I'm going to go over here and change the eye color. I kind of like what it is at now, but maybe I want to make it a little green theme, so I changed it a little, and you can see that my eye color is changing. I absolutely love this makeup, and to make sure that everybody knows that it is inspired by Minecraft, let's also generate a 2D sticker as well. A creeper, green pixelated character, Minecraft. Okay, let's see what this generates. Generating. I like this one. I'm going to click import. I'm going to add a little face sticker. So all I need to do is click face sticker on the top corner here. I'm going to go over here and select our little icon, and you can see that now anytime we move, it also moves with it. And I'm going to make it a little smaller and put it next to my eye. Now I have a Minecraft inspired makeup look. Now, to make it truly interactive, click on the image that we just generated and go under interactions. Click on screen touch and select the toggle visibility on tap option. Now, when the user taps on the screen, the user will have the option to choose between makeup number 1 and makeup number 2. And just like that, fellow crafters, our pixel-perfect journey towards the blocky realms of effects comes to an end. If you are left with any burning questions or are eager to join and connect with other fellow enthusiasts, do join our vibrant community on Discord. You can find the link in the descriptions. Did you enjoy today's tutorial? If you did, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. Your feedback fuels our creativity. If you're more hungry for in-depth knowledge of Effect House, guess what? We've designed the perfect bootcamp for you. It's called Crash Course. You can find it in the link in the description as well. And for those of you who are ready to dive in even deeper, mark your calendars, because this Thursday we're launching an advanced tutorial by our technical product manager, Weston, that will unlock the secrets of creating a Minecraft mini games. You definitely won't want to miss it. So until our next digital rendezvous, keep creating. Bye guys. Bye.